Hello friends and welcome to BISP Solutions. So today instance was changed, so we have to do some configuration before moving the uploading the FBDI template of uploading the assets. So let's do the configuration. We don't have much time to waste. So let's start making the our first task, that is we will create a flex field value set. So go to your project. Go to your project overview and open your project from here. And so here you type manage fixed asset. Manage fixed asset, flex field, so now when it happens, what you have to do, you have to check your offerings whether all the roles you have given or not. We have financial and procurement. Let's add some more offerings to it, like add material management and logistic. Selected one. Product management, order management. This many you add. One more was there. Apply. So sometime when you not able to search the task, you have to change the offerings, you have to add some more offerings to it. So now we are adding the offerings. Here offerings are added. Click on done and now type flex field. Manage fixed assets, manage fixed assets, flex field, let me check one more time the offerings. Let's go to the project, click on done, and one more time. Usually it comes, but today it is not coming. Maybe some changes have done in the instances, that is why. Otherwise nothing we have added in the previous session, no offerings, nothing, only we have two offerings, financials and procurement, and every task was performed. Let me check, then we'll move ahead. Go to fixed assets. Go to tools. One more, we have to check our security console. Go to user, search our username, that is Rakesh, but employee user is Shivam. It will appear as Shivam. Go to Shivam, and here I will add some roles. Click on edit and add some roles here. Add role. Asset accountant. Save and close. Click on done. And now you have to run, when you add some roles, you have to run the LDAP job. Go to navigator and move to LDAP job, scheduled process, and scheduling process, that is LDAP. We are going to run the LDAP job. Click on tab button, then retrieve latest LDAP changes. This for roles synchronization. Submit. Until it is running, we cannot perform any action. It should show succeeded. It is taking time, so what we will do, we will just log out and then we will log in. You have to check the rule. We are checking the rule whether Rakesh has got the access of asset management or no. User, go to user, click on Rakesh, go to Shivam. We have Supplier manager, general accounting manager, fixed asset we do not have. Asset accountant we have. Now click on done. Now go to setup and maintenance and go to our project. Click on overview. Now it is coming easy. Manage fixed assets, flex field value sets. Now click on it. Go to your task, manage fixed assets, flex field value sets. Go to task icon, and here we'll give the name. We are creating the value set first. Go to create and create the value set. So value set could be, first we are going to create the major category, and then we will put this major category into the instance. So go give the name major flex field. Leave the description, or you just copy. You can copy it, and your module should be fixed asset only. Assets, independent, variable character, and value subtype would be text. So when you will create in the instance, how long it should be, so we are going to select it should be 30 characters or more than 30 characters. So you can select, I'm selecting 30 characters. You can set restriction that the value should be in the uppercase only and 0 fill. Now save and close. Now we'll create the minor category. Create the minor category. Integrate minor category. So the minor category, would be dependent, because minor categories depend on the major category. So here you will validation type, you will select dependent. Here character, and value subtype would be text. Give the maximum length 30, and here you have to choose value set code under which category this is minor category is going to fall. Then select your integrate major category. You have to select the major category. So this minor category will include in major category. So click on OK. Now save and close. Now we'll create in which country this major and minor category we can create. So integrate country, the module will be assets only. Validation type independent. They will each state, and whatever we are going to create will be independent. Characters, subject text, the maximum length 30. Save and close. Country we have created. Now we'll create the state. Integrate state, paste, select the module, validation type independent, the character, text. Same process you have to repeat. 30. Now save and close. After that we will create city. Under which city we are going to create? Select the module, that is asset, validation type independent, character, select the maximum length. Now we'll create the segment for asset key flex field. Save and close. Now integrate asset key. This I am giving the flex field name. Description would be same. The module would be asset. See, this we are performing manually. I have shown in my previous session how to perform it through the rapid implementation. So here I am, those are watching first time, so for them I am showing that how to make it manually, and then we will come to the automation. Independent, relation to character, text 30. So we have created the asset key. Now we have created 3 flex field. Now we will create the structure for this 3 flex field, and then structure will put into the instance. Click on save and close. Manage fixed assets key flex field. Click on it. So value set we have created. Now we will creating the flex field value. Click on search. See, we have 3 categories. For asset category we can have only one active structure, and when we work for client we have to create a new structure. Basically we can create so many structure, but here we can use only one. So go to manage structure, just a second. So here we have to search for the category, which category we are looking for. So click for category, and the asset category flex field. This structure we are going to manage. Now click on search, asset category flex field. This we have created. Now edit it, because we have to disable. This is enabled, we have to disable. We have 2 category, major category and minor category, so we have to disable this and save and close, because this is in active mode. So we at the same time we can have only one active structure, so we are enabling this one. Save and close. And now we will add and now we are making our category. So if integrate category flex field, now we are making our category. Delimiter, select whichever you want to select, and click on save. So we have created our category. So now we'll create the category. Now we'll provide the value here. To give segment code is integrate major category. Okay, so we are creating major category. Under it we are going to create the major asset. Will take automatically. This would sequence number 1, and here we will select the major category. Short prompt disable width, so say 30. Column name we have integrate major category, that we have to select segment 1, and here we will select our major category. We have integrate major flex field. Save and close. One more we are going to create for the minor category. This we are getting minor category, so we have to give the name accordingly, because major category we have created. Now we are creating minor category. Just a second. So for that you have to contact to BISP Solution. After this session, go to BISP Solution and search that how to make implementation project and general ledger. We will definitely get the answer. For that you contact our BISP Solution. Okay. This we have to change. We are creating minor category, so integrate minor category have to integrate minor category. Remove the space in the API name. No, okay. Sequence number, this will true. Segment would be 2, and here we'll select the minor category. Now here you have to select the label, that is minor category. Now save and close. Almost we have done with the category, major category and minor category. Save and close. Once again save and close. Click on done, and after that we have to go to the manage structure instances. Now we are putting everything into the instances. Whatever category we have created, whatever the flex field we have created, we are going to put it into the instance. Search, and this is our category we have created. This is system category. Now we are going to create. Category flex. So we have to put our flex field into flex. So choose our flex field. See, we have major category and we have minor category. So click on major category and edit it, because we have to mark it required. Click on OK. Now same we have to do with the minor category. Click on edit and mark it as required. Click on OK. Now we have to deploy. When we will deploy, that means the flex field is going to come into the instances. That is why we deploy. Whatever changes we have done, whatever category we have created, that we have to bring into the instance. That is why we have to deploy it. Now save and close. Done. Now deploy flex field. So no error. Click on OK. And now we have to create a structure and instances for location. For category we have created the structure and instances. In the same way we have to create a structure and instances for the location also. So for that you have to search for the location. Here you search for the location. Asset location, again we have to disable it. Manage structure. Location, edit it, and we have to disable it. Save and close. Now we are going to create our location. See, we have disabled this asset location which is provided by the system, so we have disabled it. Now we are creating our asset location flex field. So type here the name, that is integrate asset location flex field. Flex field कर दे रहे हैं. That we are going to give the name flex, only flex. So we'll take the name, select the delimiter, save and close. Now the asset location we have, one second, asset location we have to disable. No, we have okay, we have this one, fixed integrate asset location flexible. So now we have to mark it as required, this one. We have done the disabled it, we have disabled it. Now we are creating it. Integrate asset location. So we are creating it for country. Location means country, state. We have to create. It will take the API name. So this for the location, this is sequence number 1, country. And column name segment 1 will take, and the value set code we have created the country that we have to select. See, this is our country, select it and okay. So now we are once again we are going to same thing, we are going to deploy it, means we are bringing the structure into instances. Now save and close. Now one more we have to create under it, that is state. State description and same prompt with the sequence number, this is 2. This is state segment, so bring it state segment. Short prompt same, display width would be 30, and column name second column segment 2, and here we'll select our integrated state. Integrated state, click on OK. All mandatory fields we have filled. Save and close. Now let's check some comments. So state and country we have created. Now we'll create one more segment, that is city. This would be sequence number 3. Short prompt, display width to the 30. This column name would be 3, so this will come in our instance at number 3. Select our city. Every mandatory field done. Save and close. Save and close, and done. So now we have to deploy this. First we put into instances. See the location. Instances we have to create. We have not created. That is why it was not coming. We have to create the instances. Click on it and give the name, that is location. For location we are doing integrate location flex. Select the section name, that is MRF location flex field. This is asset location. So we have these 3: country, state and city. One by one we have to mark it as required. Mark it as required. State also required. Required. Now let's check the comment. No comment yet. Okay. So same with the same thing we have done state and city. We have marked it as required. Click on save and close. Click on done and deploy it into the instances. Let it deploy. check comment. Yeah, we're deployed without any errors. Now we'll make structure and structure instance for fixed asset. Click on done. Manage fixed assets. Manage fixed assets key flex fields. Go to it. Search for our asset key. Let us integrate. When these are gray out, then you have to search it. Now you search for here. Here you write asset key. Click on manage structures. Means we have to create it. Just create structures. Okay, so we have to enable it or disable it and click on save, and then we will create. Integrate asset key. See, this many configuration we have to perform, otherwise we cannot create the asset. So if you get confused, just contact to BISP Solution, and here we will provide you a solution of how to make it the fixed assets, value set and structure and instances. Description, same sequence number would be this one because we are creating for asset key, so this is sequence number 1. Prompt with same, display with 30, column segment 1, and value set code would be search for our asset key. Seven rows, seven rows. And now we have to create instance against this structure. So for that we have to go to done and manage structure instances, create instances, integrate, set key flex. So we have to create value set, we have to create a structure, we have to create instances, and then we have to deploy it so that it comes to the system. So this three steps we have to perform for all the three locations, category and asset key. Structure name is mrf asset key flex field, integrate. This is, you have to mark it required, otherwise it won't work. Now save and close, click on done and deploy it. Click on OK. Now I'll go to the value set and we'll check our major category has come or not. Manage fix assets flex field value sets, click on it and we'll search for integrate. Search for integrate. So we have this flex fields, and if you want to change the value, go to manage, select anyone and go to manage values. So this is how, friends, we create major assets, minor assets, category, location and asset key. So this is how, I hope you understood the session and now you are able to make this the asset. So thank you so much for joining this webinar, friends. Let's meet on the next session.